Hi, this is Alan. I'm here to talk about another free Web 2.0 software that might be useful as teachers called GoAnimate.com. So this is a real easy way to make a video using cartoon characters that will actually speak whatever words your students type. So here's an example of mice and men.
Welcome to the story of mice and men.
Oh, good. I like mice.
In Central California, a few miles south of Soledad, in the Salinas River Valley beside the harsh Gavilan Mountains.
So, it kind of gives you an example of the different characters, the backgrounds that you can put. They actually imported some web images to make it, look like of mice and men. But to get started, first thing you do is write GoAnimate.com. And this is another one of the softwares where you pays to be a teacher. There's a school version. If you scroll all the way down to the bottom page, it says Go Animate for Schools. That's the version you want to sign up for. It takes about a day or two to register. They give a confirmation. You have to use a school address. But once you do, you can get 100 accounts and get a lot more features and storage capacity and create your school's own page that they can use for education. So it looks a little like this once you sign up for a teacher account. And you can see you can add new students just like this. And then, you can manage students, create students without a, email address so that they can, create it on their own. And let's get started. So if you were to hit create animation once you have a school account, there's a tutorial here as well. You can create your own characters, but once you hit it, it looks a little something like this. It takes a while to load. There's a menu called Little Peeps, and so these are the free characters, and this is the free backgrounds that are available, so you can always change the background. So let's say if I want to do a school, there is a school, or a few school kind of looks. So let's say this is a classroom. Voila, instant. And then I can get to the characters. So maybe I want her as like a teacher. I just drag and drop her in. I can change her, looking towards the class. I can bring her forward, put her in the back of the table, things like that. And then all I have to do is type something and she'll have a voice. Hello, my name is Miss Watson. Welcome to class. So once I've done that, I can change her voice. Any of the girl names or female names are going to change her voice, and I can experiment with that. And I can also change her action. So she's standing right now, but I could have her doing something else. Running, walking. She could look excited. And she could also change her facial expression. So, there's a lot for point of view, perspective, characterization that you can do with this. As with a lot of these softwares, it's how you use them. So now that I have that, and I can have her talk. So this is what it looks like.
Type it, and your character will say it. Max. 180 jars.
My name is Miss Watson. Welcome to class. So here we go.
Hello, my name is Miss Watson. Welcome to class.
So you can get a British accent there. Now, if I click off of it, I can add another character. So I can add a student. And then I can have him talking as well. So one thing to keep in mind, only one character can talk per scene. So to add him talking, I have to add a new scene down here or hit here. It's just going to take the same characters, put them in a new scene, and now I can type something else. Oh, great. Just what I need. Another excited teacher. And then I can change it to a male voice. And here we go.
Oh, great. Just what I need, another excited teacher.
know why they're all British right now, so I can change it to somebody else to get a different voice.
Oh great. Just what I need, another excited teacher.
That's the kind of Lenny voice. So, I can once again play around with the backgrounds. I have different props, voice bubbles. I can just have the talking. I can have tools. I can add music and effects. I can import pictures or images from something else. And then when I'm all done, I just hit save. So I could put a music in the background. And then I should have my movie. So the last thing you want to think about is, how you save it. So if you have a school account, you kind of save it so kids can comment on each other's and kind of, watch and see each other's. You can save the link, you can embed it. So there's a lot of options once you're done. So that is GoAnimate.com. And you want to use GoAnimateForSchools.com for the school account.